Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word masseur. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I booked an appointment with a skilled masseur to help relieve my muscle tension. A masseur is a person, typically male, who is trained to perform massages and help clients relax and relieve muscle tension through various techniques. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.